Imagine never having to worry about how you generate new business again. That's what Stratique's Business Propeller could do for you. Stratique is the leading direct marketing and lead generation agency for companies operating in the manufacturing sector, and we help our clients to achieve their new business targets by uncovering new opportunities, nurturing new prospects, and when they are ready, arranging face-to-face appointments with them. This process has been constantly refined over 15 years, so we know it works. Our senior management and digital marketing teams have over 40 years combined experience in marketing for manufacturing and B2B lead generation. And our telemarketing team have visited more manufacturing facilities than any other agency we know of. And they talk to buyers and decision makers in the manufacturing sector every day. Stratique is unique, and we integrate highly effective direct marketing campaigns for our clients to deliver a steady stream of highly qualified sales opportunities and face-to-face meetings. And we are the only marketing agency that we know of with a money-back guarantee. It's a process that we know works and delivers excellent return on investment. And it pays for itself by generating additional sales and repeat customers. We work with like-minded business owners, MDs, sales and marketing professionals of businesses operating in the UK manufacturing sector. Companies who are looking to secure more profitable sales opportunities but who are finding it increasingly difficult to do so. What we do is take all the hassle away and generate new business for you. We find the buyers with the budget and the authority to make a decision and who have a future need. We qualify them and then we nurture them over time using our proven Business Propeller multi-touchpoint marketing system until they are ready to talk business with you now. Then we will compare diaries and we will book either face-to-face appointments or request a quotation. We will also chase up drawings and specifications for you too, saving you time and money. This means you don't have to worry about new business again, because you will receive a steady stream of highly qualified new prospects, so you get to focus on closing more sales and delivering excellent customer service. Another key benefit of having a healthy sales pipeline is that targets will be hit more often. Your business and profits will grow steadily, which in turn will improve cash flow and peace of mind. This ensures that your customer acquisition process is taken care of, and one more thing that you can take off your to-do list. If you have a valuable proposition and can convert sales leads, you will never have to worry about where new business will come from again. It's all GDPR compliant, and with excellent ROI, it pays for itself, and is all backed by Stratique's no-risk money-back guarantee. To find out more, simply fill in the form on this page, and one of our friendly team will be in contact soon.